Instant pot Spanish milkfish sardines. Soak 3 medium-cut fish in water with 2 tablespoons rock salt for 30 minutes. First, add a cup of carrots and green olives at the bottom. Then add and arrange the fish in the pot. Then add some sweet gherkins, crushed garlic, whole peppercorn, and bay leaves. Season with rock salt or fish sauce or soy sauce to taste. Add some bird's eye chili if you want it spicy. 1.5 cups olive oil. 1.5 cups water, just enough to cover the fish. Pressure cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes, let pressure release naturally. This came out so good and tender that even the bones would melt in your mouth. In a heated pan with a little bit of olive oil, sauté minced garlic till slightly brown, then add diced tomatoes. And then add the Spanish-style sardines with the sauce. Boil pasta for 10 minutes and drain, then stir-fry with the sardines in sauce for 2 minutes. Add some spinach if you like to. Serve while it's still hot or warm and enjoy.